Exploring the splendid realms of elegance and sophistication, the Western Gateway proudly reveals its architectural grandeur and modern opulence. Welcome to this exquisite apartment located in a prime location, surrounded by a tapestry of attractions with Rangkara and Shalini Palace, a leisure stroll away. The bus stop is conveniently at 100 meters. D-Mart and petrol pump within the close reach, and the serenity of Mahalakshmi Mandir just a short distance away. As we explore this property, you'll discover the perfect blend of modern living and serene nature beauty. Let's begin our walkthrough. As you step onto the balcony, you'll immediately be captivated by the breathtaking view, the expansive Rangkara Lake and Shalini Palace. Now let's explore the neighborhood from above. The spacious balconies are perfect for morning coffee. Imagine sipping your favorite beverage while enjoying the soothing sounds of nature. Surrounded by lush greenery, the landscape here creates a serene and inviting atmosphere. It's the perfect place to relax and enjoy. From this perspective, you can appreciate the grandeur of this complex. Well-designed retail area is at ground and lower ground floor to host local brands to meet your needs. Project is designed by well-known, versatile architect and interior designer, architect Sanjay Adke. Under his guidance, project started with minute detailing to create a quality end result product. The lobby is designed to make you feel at home with plush seating areas and contemporary decor. A thoughtfully designed lift and staircase seamlessly connects, ensuring effortless movement. Get your pulse pumping in gymnasium. Harmony Vision spacious multipurpose hall. A landscaped seating area provides a cozy spot to chat with neighbors or simply enjoy the outdoors. Each 1 BHK flat is designed to optimize space. Despite being compact, the living area is cleverly designed to maximize space. The kitchen offers everything you need to prepare meals. The master bedroom is designed to offer maximum comfort. Each 2 BHK flat is meticulously designed to optimize space and provide maximum comfort. The living room is well lit with natural sunlight streaming in through its large windows. The kitchen is modern and equipped with high-end appliances and ample storage. The master bedroom offers privacy and convenience. Second bedroom can be used as a guest room or kids room, catering to your needs. Now let's move on to the spacious 3 BHK flats. The living room is versatile, providing you with various options for furniture arrangement. It's a perfect space to relax. The open concept kitchen seamlessly connects with the dining area. The master bedroom provides well ventilated, creating a soothing ambience. Second bedroom is spacious and receives ample natural light. The spacious bedrooms offer comfort and relaxation. And there you have it, folks, a unique aerial view of this fantastic apartment community. Thank you for joining us on this virtual walkthrough of this exceptional apartment. If you'd like to see this property in person, please do contact our sales team. We hope you've enjoyed this tour.